Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for coming to today's live. We're doing our Ask Your Questions. If you have any questions about your natural hair, feel free to ask it. And if you need any help with your natural hair, you can contact me, send me a message, and then I can help you out. So you guys, this past weekend, I went to get my hair done, and I got it done on Saturday. This is how it looks. This is the front of it, and this is the side of it. And I haven't gotten my hair done in so long. I'm gonna show you the back. It's just a simple mohawk style. This is what the back looks like on the side, and this is the other side, right? So very simple mohawk style. I think I'm going to be doing more styles like this in the future. I want to see what, doing my hair, braiding my hair, cornrowing my hair like this. And I didn't use any hair extensions, so no hair extension. I just used my own hair. And I love how this style is, how she twists my hair, because this is, if I was going to do my hair myself, this is how I'll do it, right? And the thing is that I'm able to do my hair myself. The problem is I'm not so good at sectioning my hair. So I purposely didn't moisturize my hair this morning when I got ready. So because I wanted to do it while on camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize it. So what I'm doing is I'm using my oil. This is my Batana oil. I don't manufacture it. I buy it like you guys. So this is the Batana oil that I use. And then I'm also going to use on my edges. I'm also going to use this on my edges. So I'm sure you're wondering, like, how long am I going to keep this style? My plan is to keep this hairstyle for about a month. Yes. So my plan is to keep this hair about a month. Now, my hair is very light. You know those people that have really light hair that gets messy all the time? So I'm really determined to not get it messy so much. So how am I going to do that? Number one, when it's time to wash my hair, wash my body, when I use the shower, I usually wear a cap over my head, and then I wear my shower cap over that cap. I also make sure that I sleep with with a silk scarf. So I tie down a scarf, and that really helps tame the frizz. Now, if you're someone that you're worried about your edges, one thing that I did before I started doing this kind of style is I made sure that my edges were in an healthy state. If your edges are not in a healthy state, I would not say you should do styles like this. Now, is this tight? I would say this is medium, meaning that it's not loose, right? But it's not so tight that I can't breathe. It's well done. When I say something is well done, the amount of tension on the hair and on the scalp is moderate, meaning that I don't feel the tension. It's not like, oh my gosh, I gotta take a Tylenol or something, or headache medicine. It actually feels really nice. Let me get closer to you guys, and then I can show you. So this is it. So I'm getting ready to just add this. Now, normally, if I'm going to moisturize my hair, I introduce water. But remember, I told you I'm trying to keep this hairstyle to last a long time. So I'm feeling my hair. My hair, can you imagine? I'm low porosity, and my hair still feels very moisturized from the time she did it. So I'm even touching my hair. I don't need to add moisture to it. So all I'm going to do is just lubricate, and I'm calling it lubricate, my scalp, just to add some oil to my scalp. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to add some oil to my scalp like that. And you see how I'm doing it? I'm just gently adding the oil. I'm patting the oil into my scalp because I don't want, okay, just going like that, going down the line. I'm patting the oil to my scalp. Just going down the line like that. I'm not disturbing the hair. I'm just giving the scalp nourishment. Okay, so the purpose of the oil is just to give the scalp some nourishment. So I'm just kind of patting it in gently. I'm going to take some more. I'm going to do this side now. So if you want your hairstyle to last a long time, you can try doing this. If your hair feels really dry, you can spray some water onto your hand and then pat it. And I'm going to be showing you how I do that throughout the course of me wearing this style. I'll be showing you how I do that. So now my hair, I've put the oil. I'm just massaging it in there, kind of just massaging it, patting it in there, massaging it like that. Okay, so this is what I do. And I'm not doing this every single day because I don't want my scalp to be clogged up with oils and stuff. So I'm going to probably be doing this every 3 days or so. So I got my hair done on Saturday. So it was done on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is the 3rd day, Tuesday. So the next time I will do it will be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday, when you guys see me come live, I'm going to do it again on Friday. So I'm planning to do it like Tuesday and Fridays. So Tuesdays and Fridays is when I'm going to do this. Now, I'm going to take the batana oil, the raw batana oil that I've been using to grow my edges. This is what I've been using to grow my edges. I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply that to my edges. Now, normally I put this every single day, okay? So this one, I don't use a lot. You guys can even barely see. I just use a little bit at a time. Just a little bit at a time. And I'm not using a lot. I'm also going to do my nape area. And then I'm going to actually put some in my problem area, which is right on my crown area. I'm putting more. If you guys have thin hair on your crown area, just apply it. And you see how I'm applying it gently, my crown area. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of it, rub it on my hand, and then just put it at the ends of the hair. Just keep the ends of the hair. So at the very ends of the hair, I want to keep that ends of the hair. I want to keep it strong and not breaking. I'm just going to put some more at the ends of the hair. Then whatever is left, I'm going to pat it into the hair like that. So this is how I am keeping my hair moisturized. And you can see this is my hair right now. This is my edges. Everything looks good and I don't have to stress. So these are the 2 things that I'm using right now. If I start feeling my hair feeling dry, then this is what I'm telling you. I'm going to take water, spray water on my hand, and then pat it in. And then I'm going to get my moisturizer, take a little bit of the moisturizer, and pat it in. But right now, my hair still feels quite moisturized, so I'm not going to bother doing all that. So hopefully, as you guys come and watch me, I'll be showing you more things that I do. Remember, if you have any questions about your hair, if you need any tips about your hair, let me know. I'm feeling very hot right now. It was a bit cold this morning, but yeah, but that is it. Every product that I use, you can click on the link in the first comment, and I use batana oil, and that is the only thing that I use, and it has really helped my hair. So I just told her to do the mohawk style. And another thing is that I'm trying not to touch my hair so much, because I think whenever we touch our hair a lot, that's when the hair starts looking really, really rough. So I'm trying not to touch my hair so much because I don't want it to get frizzy and stuff. So sometimes I'll wear it like this. Okay, the hairstylist said I should wear it like this and then wear the mohawk part all the way back. So my question to you is, do you see yourself doing hairstyles like this? This is my real hair. I went to church like this. I didn't put on a wig. I didn't wear a turban or something. When the hair starts getting messy, then I could probably will do like head wraps. Yeah, thank you. You like my, so it's an oversized sweater. It's an oversized sweater. So you see it's quite big. So it's very, very big, oversized sweater, and it has pockets. There's something about pockets. I actually was giving it to my daughter, but then it's a bit too big for her, my oldest daughter, so she left it at home. But I do like it. It's for Valentine's Day, and it goes, you see those kind of sweaters that are oversized and stuff. So I absolutely like it. And I just, because it's kind of hot, so I just threw on what they call this, singlet or something, you know, tank top. Yeah, so yeah, I like it. And I just put on my gold earring. Nothing. I put on my color changing. So the lipstick that I have on, it changes according to my temperature. So if I'm hot, it gets very vibrant. If I'm not, it tones down. So you can see right now I'm kind of hot. So that's why. But I don't want to keep on rambling. If you all have a question, leave it in the comment area and I'll be able to help you out. So thank you guys. I hope you guys liked what I'm doing. I'm styling my hair. I'm taking care of my hair. This is going to be my routine for my hair. And I'll catch you. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment area. And I'll talk to you all later. Stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye.